Lillian, an African woman from Kenya, is a grocery seller. She's been to several facilities complaining that there's something wrong with her body, but she's got no diagnosis. This means that she's spending a lot of money out of pocket. Several months down the line, she's diagnosed with cervical cancer, which is hard for her and her family to navigate both mentally and financially. There are 662,301 women who are diagnosed with cervical cancer annually in Africa. 348,874 women succumb to cervical cancer annually as well. Cervical cancer is the fourth most common type of cancer in Africa, with 125,699 incidence rates, 80,614 mortality rates in Africa annually, 5,236 incidence rates, and 3,211 mortality rates in Kenya. The problem is always that there's late diagnosis. More than 90% of women in Kenya with cancer of the cervix are diagnosed at advanced stages. There's lack of adequate infrastructures and specialized pathologists for pap tests. The current procedures are very, very invasive.
This is why MedLab Diagnostics is stepping in to provide innovative technological solutions for screening and early diagnosis of cervical cancer. With our NCC test, we hope to empower healthcare providers to screen at-risk population and early diagnose cervical cancer using methylated septin 9 as serological marker, avoiding unnecessary colposcopy. The NCC, or the Nucleic acid-based cervical cancer test, works in 4 steps. In step 1, we collect patient blood sample. In step 2, we pre-treat and extract free circulating endothelial cell. Then in step 3, we run a MeCRISPR procedure, which incorporates methylation, sensitive prescription endonuclease technique, and recombines polymerase amplification, CRISPR-associated protein technique to detect methylated septin 9 in patient serum. Results from there are passed into a cancer prediction AI algorithm that predicts disease rates in patients undergoing screening, and a machine learning module that diagnoses cervical cancer in patients. There's 9,696 healthcare facilities in Kenya, 2 million across Africa. 16.8 million women in Kenya are at risk of cervical cancer. Compared to others out there, we are using a serological marker that has 100% sensitivity and 92.3% specificity. We collect patient data to advise and tailor treatment to the patient condition and needs. And the process takes 60 minutes to complete and is less invasive. Our team is made of medical doctors and data analysts. And we are on this journey to give Kenyan women an early fighting chance against cervical cancer so that people like Lenny can have faith in the healthcare sector and have hope in the face of such a deadly disease that survival is achievable.